Right, in this video I am going to be charging up on this Ford Focus 1.5 TDCI, the air conditioning. It's 3 years old and I'm not getting any kind of coolant coming through. So Mr. Recharge STP Easy Chill. I've done this before. Fast and easy 10-minute job. Provides cold air fast, extends system life, seals AC leaks. That's always a good one. Notice I keep the receipt in there because you get £10 back for the next refill. So this is the Mark III. This is the one with the grill that looks like the Aston Martin grill at the front version of Ford Focus. Now notice in the past videos that's blue, isn't it? This one is black. Carefully take this off. Keep hold of that. And I'm just checking if it fits. So the adapter, I'm not going to push it all the way in. Doesn't fit. Must be using a different refrigerant. Right, in this video I am refilling the air conditioning fluid R134A into my Ford Focus 120 brake horsepower Mark 3.5, Mark 3.5 I call it, I think, a dual engine. It's not this port here, you see that? That's not it. Apparently it's high pressure, it's way back there, and look how short my cable is. I nearly bought like another cable and trigger. That one was a lot, well not a lot, probably twice as long. So it's way back here. I can get the camera on it. See it? Here. Right. There it is. Alright. So apparently that's the one, and the guy at the shop, Halford's, very helpful. He said he don't know why they stick it back there. But I'm going to put the aircon on max, and I am going to run the engine, vigorously shake this bottle, set the right temperature. It is a dial on this thing. Today is back there in temperature, so I think that's the pressure. 0, 10, 25, 35, 45, 55, I think. Point outside arrow to outside temperature. It's about here. And then so it's got to fill up between there and there. Right, so let's undo. I'll connect it all up. First job, shake this a few minutes, connect it up. So I've already taken a plastic, very easy to spin the bottle. What am I doing? Wrong way round. Yeah. Give it a little, and it's not good for the environment. Get rid of some of that. Right. I think it's probably wise to connect it up to the engine first. I mean, connect it up to the port. Really shake it like mad. See? Okay, that was a bit of a push on it. Engine on. max aircon. Pull the windows down. Right, so meant to be that in there and then straight down, but I don't know how I'm going to get the angle on that. I think it's falling. Awkward, really awkward. Check for the cycling of the compressor, which it is. When it stops cycling, that's the real pressure. When it's cycling, there's high pressure, of course. It should go on and off. It's hard to do this with both hands. The compressor should down there. I almost stick my finger down there. It should cycle on and off. The max setting is just on all the time. So we're going to get in there. The pressure is high. When the cycle's off, you've got half a chance. Cycling off though. All the time. Close the window there. Give me a chance to cool off. Just carry on. I'm going to close the window and try again, and I'll let you